Open Paint 3D. Under Open, select Browse Files. Navigate to the file you want to edit. Select it, then select Open. On the toolbar, select Magic Select. Adjust the focus area to fit around the area of the image you want to keep. Select Next. Look closely to see whether the tool accurately isolated your target image from the background. Some adjustments may be necessary. Use the Add and Remove options to change what areas are isolated by the tool. To mark an area that you want to keep or remove, trace its outline or use brush strokes. When your cutout is satisfactorily marked, select Done. Your focus object has now been lifted from the background of the picture. Select it and drag it to one side of the canvas. Delete the remainder of the picture from the canvas area. To save the edited image, select Menu, Save As, Image, then select Save. Then specify a location and a name for the image file. Select Save. The saved image file is now ready for you to do with as you wish and send it to someone, insert it in a document, etc.